Welcome to Healthy Ways and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your health in many ways. How about we investigate a couple of time-tested headache fixes that you can attempt? There are no tricks here, and you likely have all that you need. 1. Get some sleep. Rest is your closest companion now in light of the fact that your body needs a chance to recuperate. It is ideal to just remain in bed as long as could reasonably be expected. Indeed, even an additional hour or 2 of rest will assist immensely. On the off chance that your after effect is downright terrible, you may need to call into work or drop whatever commitment you have toward the beginning of today. Obviously, that isn't a proposal to be untrustworthy, however that is something you ought to have considered the previous evening. Whoever you have to call, you will probably stable so terrible on the telephone that they may simply accept your reason. That is accepting they didn't see you at the bar the previous evening. At that point this is a poorly conceived notion. 2. Drink water or juice. Water is the principal thing you ought to drink at the beginning of today. The liquor you drank the previous evening got dried out your body, and the most ideal approach to feel better is to rehydrate it. Have a glass right when you wake up and keep presenting yourself with a new one throughout the following scarcely any hours. Simply be certain not to try too hard in light of the fact that hammering an excessive amount of water can aggravate you feel. Go moderate, yet keep the water streaming. You can likewise recharge your body with organic product or vegetable juices. Substituting one of these with water is perhaps the best thing you can accomplish for a headache. The water rehydrates while the juice gives you fundamental nutrients. 3. Keep away from caffeine. A feeble mug of espresso might be alright, yet a whole pot will just get dried out you more and it might exacerbate your migraine. This is something contrary to what you need at the present time. Despite the fact that it is enticing to snatch a cup to wake up, it isn't the best thought. On the other hand, you could make some green tea. The sugar and caffeine will give you a little lift without getting dried out you to an extreme. Most teas have less caffeine than espresso, and the sort of tea and the blending technique can diminish the measure of caffeine. 4. Get some vitamins. Your body could truly utilize a few nutrients at the present time. The most straightforward path is to drink squeezed orange for a sound portion of vitamin C. In the event that you have a multivitamin in the house, presently is additionally a decent time to accept that also. 5. Wash up. When you have dozed however much as could reasonably be expected, wash up. This won't just tidy you up yet spruce and wake up your organs also. A few people like to switch among cold and high temp water in the shower, and that is not an ill-conceived notion. Try not to accept this to an outrageous, as the stun could harm your body work overall. 6. Keep away from painkillers if possible. Your head is beating and it's enticing to go after a speedy agony reliever. This isn't the best thought when you're managing a headache. Over-the-counter (OTC) items like anti-inflammatory medicine, Tylenol, and ibuprofen have symptoms that are amplified while liquor is in your body. This is presumably in opposition to all that you need to do at the present time. However, for your drawn-out well-being, it is a word of wisdom. Much the same as liquor, ibuprofen is a blood more slender, and the two in mix can escalate the impacts. Tylenol, or acetaminophen, can make more harm your liver, and ibuprofen can cause stomach pain. 7. Get some exercise. When in any event, standing appears to be a test, it takes self-discipline to get up and move. In any case, there is some reality to the advantages of a little exercise. It's anything but an enchantment fix, however it can help re-establish your body and brain. It can likewise expand your digestion, freeing your body of the poisons somewhat quicker. There's no compelling reason to burn some serious calories, either. A short stroll in the natural air can truly do wonders. Thank you for watching. As promised, you may download the ebooks from the links in description below. Healthy Ways. Subscribe for daily health tips. You may also like our other videos here.